Hello guys, welcome to a Driver's channel. So today is going to be a banger strategy, and this strategy right here is no indicator trading strategy. And of course, if I hear talking about a strategy, you could have know that I've already taken a trade with this strategy. And of course, this morning alone I've made over $700 with this simple strategy. Of course, couching just 10 to 5 candles using the exact strategy. Okay, and here in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make use of the strategy as well. And you can see this is a trade that we took here on live account with $700 profit on crash and on boom indices. Okay, so this is not a play strategy, and the strategy is very effective. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to show you guys how the strategy works, what you need to see for taking any trade with the strategy. And now this strategy is very simple, and it's a very straightforward strategy. Now the first thing you want to pay attention to whenever you are taking a trade with this strategy is just one candle. Just one candle is what we are paying attention to, and that candle is a small candle. Now this candle right here, it has to be a one and only candle, and that candle, it has to be a candle that does not even big, just has to be a tiny candle like this candle right here. So this is the type of candle I'm talking about. Like this candle is the type of candle I'm talking about. It's candle that read but not breaking more than 5 candles. That is the candle I'm talking about. The candle does not break more than 5 candles. That's the candle we are going to be working on. Okay, so here from this trade right here that we took, you can see that this candle does not break more than 5 candles, and we make use of the opportunity by taking our trade from here down to this area. Okay, so this is even up to 10 candles that we take here in the morning, and this is the trade right here on boom 900. Okay, so this is another trade we took here on crash 600. Probably here we first took our first trade, but eventually we was caught by this spike right here, but we know that the price is going to move. Okay, that's why we hold the trade, and we already make some money right here. We close the position, we take another one same at the area, but we have little spike as well, but we know that the price is going to move, and indeed the price moved and gave us our profit. So it's very simple and very straightforward strategy. Okay, so let's talking about how the strategy works is now what we are going to dealing with. Now the first thing we want to pay attention to is the candle that I talk about, the spike candle that not even break more than 5 candles. That is the candle we are dealing with. And what are these candles? I'm going to show you guys in chart. Now looking at this area right here, okay, I'm going to look at this area right here. Now this candle is very plenty in the chart. You just have to stay in the chart, and then you can see more trading opportunities. Now this is the first candle right here. Now after we see this type of candle in the market, now we have to have it in mind that the candle is going to move. Now after we see this type of candle, then we wait for the another candle to open. After this small spike, we wait for another candle to open, which is this candle right here. Now after this candle open, we see another one, and we are opening into our trade at the third candle. That is the candle that we are going to enter our trade from, and indeed we are aiming to catch 10th candle, which is probably right at this area. So that is how we take a trade with this strategy. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you guys what are the things that you need to see as well. Now this is another trading opportunities right here. Now here with this candle right here, this candle have already break more than 5 candles. So this candle right here, we are not taking a trade with this candle. Now we vote for another candle, which is this candle right here, and this candle right here, after we see it does not break more than 3 candles, then that is the good setup for us. Now after we see this type of setup, we are now going to enter our trade with the third candle, which is the candle right here. That's the candle we are going to enter our trade from. Now remember here, when you are trading with the strategy, make sure you have enough capital on your account, because sometimes you might cut by spike like the trade that we took earlier. So you have to make sure that you have enough capital that's going to cover that small spike that the price give you. If you see a spike after you take your entries, you don't have to be scared, because the price is going to eventually move in your direction. So keep that in mind as well. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys another trade here, and we are going to dive into boom, or let's go to crash. We are going to dive into crash 500. Now this is plenty of trade that you can be seeing in the market. Okay, it's plenty of trade. Now looking at this candle right here, this candle is not even more than 1 candle. This is the type of candle that I always love to see in the chart whenever I want to take a trade with this strategy. Okay, so here indeed, this is the candle we are waiting for, and after this candle we wait for another 3 candles. You have to keep this in mind. You have to wait for another 3 candles. Okay, now the candle, sometimes it might be the spike candle, it might be up to a 7 candle, sometimes it's still valid. Okay, I just remember that now. It might be up to 7 candle, the setup see valid. You still have to go with the setup. If you see a spike that close more than 7 candles, that close at 7 candles, you see a trade. If you close more than 7 candles, that's not the trade anymore. Now after this candle, we wait for another 3 candles. You have to keep that in mind as well. So after this candle right here, we wait for another 3 candles, and I'm talking about this candle right here, and we enter our trade at the fourth one, which is this candle. After we enter our trade, we catch 10 candles and then close our position. It's very simple and it's very unique strategy. Okay, so that is that based on this strategy, and it's very simple strategy which you have to keep in mind. If I keep throwing backward, if I keep going, I have to keep protecting this strategy, you can see it multiple times in a single day. At least you can be seeing this trade at least 30-50 times in a single day with you. So that means that you are going to be making your money. Now looking at this candle right here, this candle, if you count the candle right here, which is the first one, second one, the third one, the fifth one, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one, and the seventh one, it does not break more than the seventh one. So that is what we have to keep in mind. That is the candle, that is the type of candle we want to see in the chart. And you can see, looking at this candle, after this candle we wait for another candle to open, wait for the second one to open, and we enter the third one. You can see our price eventually move to the top side. It's very simple, very straightforward strategy. So it's just a simple trade you have to make. And remember, the strategy, we does not use it on boom 1000 and crash 1000. We does not use the strategy on those index. Okay, and the other index, we use the strategy on the remaining index. So this is another trade right here. Let me go to crash 300 to show you guys another trade. And remember, this crash 300 is a crazy index. So looking at this candle right here, this candle, you can see it does not break more than 4 candle, which is the fourth one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. This we don't break more than the 4 candle. So after this candle right here, wait for the first candle to open, you wait for the second one to open, and you wait for the third one, and we enter the fourth one. So that is the candle we are going to enter our trade from, and then we catch all this move. And remember, we just not take more than 10 candles from this strategy. We does not take more than 10 candles from this strategy, so keep that in mind as well. So that is that on the strategy, and that is how the strategy works. Okay, so I hope you guys find this video helpful as well. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime we post new strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.